Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to another video. Today let's talk about the drip garden, how it works, and how you can calculate how much you will earn every single day by depositing some liquidity pool tokens into the garden in the form of plants. I'm going to try to explain it in a way that makes sense, and I'm going to simplify the heck out of it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you have any questions, you can either leave those in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. Or if you want a little bit quicker of approach, you can come and join my Telegram group, my Telegram channel called Making Money with Michael. I'll put a link down below for you. And you can ask any of the questions you want here related to the animal farm or drip or anything else. So I'll put a link to my channel down below, but just use that as a resource for getting questions answered faster. So now we are on the Animal Farm website. It is animalfarm.app. This is the new version of the site. There is an older version that we will see in just a minute here, but let's go ahead and connect our wallet to this website. Click Connect Wallet, and then we will choose the wallet that we want to connect to. I'm going to select Wallet Connect because I have MetaMask on my phone, but you're not limited to MetaMask. You can use the Binance Chain wallet or any of the other Wallet Connect wallets. Next, I'm going to head over here to the Drip Garden page. Click on that. And here you can see that in order to participate in the Drip Garden, you have to have some of these LP tokens. LP stands for Liquidity Pool, and it's essentially a pair of BUSD and DRIP that form the LP token. If you don't have any LP tokens yet, you can click this link right here. You'll be taken to the DRIP Liberation page. So let's go ahead and do that, and I will show you around. So as you can see, we opened up in a new tab. We were taken to theanimal.farm. This is the older version of the website. And all I'm going to do is scan this QR code on my mobile device, and I will connect my wallet that way. If you have MetaMask in your browser, you would see the little MetaMask pop up in your browser and you would connect it that way. Now that we are connected, you can see the wallet is connected up here. We are on the Drip Liberation page. All this page is doing is it's taking funds in the form of BUSD, BNB, or Cake or BTCB, and it is converting it to these DRIP/BUSD liquidity pool tokens. So the first thing you need to do is, if you don't have any funds in your wallet yet, make sure to get some BUSD or BNB or any of these other available tokens, and then you want to put that money in your wallet, because when you connect, you're going to need to use some of those tokens to convert to these DRIP/BUSD liquidity pool tokens. So for me, I have BNB. I'm going to select BNB. And then you would input the amount of the token that you've got selected that you want to convert into these LP tokens. So let's say I wanted to do 0.05 BNB today. Come down here, click Supply, and then I will see that this is the number of liquidity pool tokens I will receive by depositing 0.05 BNB tokens today. You come down here and click Confirm Supply. Your wallet will pop open asking to confirm the transaction. But once the transaction is complete, you will now have some LP tokens in your wallet. Now, what do you do with those LP tokens? Well, this is where we jump over to the Drip Garden. So let's go ahead and click on that. And you have the option of choosing to stay within the old website here, or you can jump back to the newer website, connect your wallet, and then go over here to the Drip Garden page and view this page here. Just know that the two sites are connected, so if you buy the LP tokens over here on the old website, you can connect your wallet and you will see those LP tokens in your balance like I've got here. But I'm going to head back to the old website and I am going to cover how these numbers work and what you really need to focus on to calculate your 3% in daily rewards. The only things you need to pay attention to are this number here, this countdown, this value, this input field, which is where we are going to deposit the LP tokens that we purchased from the Drip Liberation page, plant seeds, and harvest seeds. So you bought some LP tokens, let's say you bought 5 of them. This button becomes clickable. You'll enter in the number of LP tokens you want to deposit to buy a certain number of plants. You click the Buy Plants button and you will confirm that transaction in your wallet. Once you buy those plants show up here in the plants grown area. The more plants you have here, the faster your timer gets down to 0, the faster you create these plants. The faster you create the plants, the more money you will earn. Now slowly over time, this value will go up and up and up, and this value will also go up, and this value will also go up. So the more plants you have in your garden, the faster you get down to zero, the more plants you can earn in a shorter amount of time, and the more money you will make. That's essentially how it works. But the trick is, and I've done a couple of tests here, is that let's go ahead and calculate how much I'm earning every single day. So I've got my calculator here, and I also have a notepad open. First, we need to figure out what one plant is worth. And we can do that by going to a website called drip.formulate.finance/garden. You can also come over here and click on the garden tab. And all you need to do on this page is scroll down to here where it says your wallet address and paste in your wallet address here. So I'm going to do that now. I've got it in my clipboard. I'm going to paste it in there. And the site will automatically refresh. The only thing that we are going to cover today is the plant price. Right here. This plant price, this is the value of one plant grown. So if you decide to only deposit like 0.5 LP tokens today, every time your timer gets down to zero, you are earning this amount of money. So ultimately, over time, you will want this number to get larger and larger and larger because you want this timer to get down to zero faster to build and grow these plants even faster. But if it takes 8 or 9 minutes for your number to get down to zero, every 8 or 9 minutes you are earning this value right here, which is not really that much money every single day. So again, make sure that if you want to earn some good money, you want to deposit more money and get this number up higher. And in doing that, the timer will get down to zero faster. You'll earn more plants every single day and make more money every single day. So now that we know the value of these plants, let's go ahead and input that here. It is 0.006068, something like that. 6058, my bad. This is the value of one plant. So if we take a look at my garden, I've got 98,717 plants. 98,717 plants. And if we want to find the total value in my garden, all we need to do is multiply this number by this number. So let's do that right now, just so you get an idea of how it works. 98,717 times 0.006058. And here we see 598. So my value in my garden is around this much. Now, I didn't deposit this amount of money. I have compounded and compounded and compounded the total number of seeds that I have available. So when I get, let's say, 500 plants available, I will come down here and click this Plant Seeds button, and this will take the value of these that have grown and add it back into my total number of plants. So if you want this value to get up higher and earn more every single day, I highly recommend clicking on the Plant Seeds or Compound button more often to add those plants back into this number so that as you get more and more and more into your total number of plants grown, you are earning more per day. So let's go back to this page here. If you wanted to calculate how much you'll be earning, which is around 3% in value every day, all you need to do is take the total number of plants in your wallet or your garden and multiply it by 3%. So let's open our calculator. I'm going to take the 98,717 plants and I'm going to multiply it by 3%. Every single day, I am earning 2,961 plants. So for me, every 24 hours, I earn 2,961 plants. Not planets, plants. So this is what I'm earning every day based on this. I took this number and multiplied it by 3% and I got this number of plants every single 24 hours. Now to calculate what I am earning, all we need to do is multiply the plant value, which is 0.006058, that's the value of one plant, multiply it by the 2,961 number of plants that I'm earning every 24 hours, and it gives me this value here. So for me, every 24 hours, I am earning this amount right here. And that is because I have a huge number of plants. If you have a lower number of plants, it's no problem. It just means you didn't invest very much. And that's totally fine. Over time, the total number of plants in your garden right up here will grow after you click the plant seeds over and over and over again. Now every time you click the plant seeds button, you take the number of plants that you've got ready to be sown, and you pay a very small BNB fee, which is about 10 cents or so in my experience. So every time you click this button, you'll pay about 10 cents to take your total number of plants and put it back into your garden. But if you want to cash out, meaning you want to get this amount, this number of LP tokens, and cash it out, put it back into your wallet, you actually click the Harvest Seeds button. This is the cash out or the withdrawal button. But just know that when you do that, you are going to pay around $3.50 or $4 just to cash out this value. So in my opinion, it's better to let the total number of plants grow and grow and grow and grow and grow, and then compound them to put them back in here. And when you get up to where you are collecting a good amount of money every 24 hours, let's say you're collecting $20 every day, maybe you wait 2 days. Wait till this number gets to $40 before you actually harvest the seeds. But the tricky thing with this website is that if we scroll down here, there is a chart here. As you buy the plants initially with your LP tokens and you deposit those into your garden, the higher you can get in the garden, the more money you will make, because the current value of a plant is decreasing. Okay, let me see if I can explain that better. If you look at videos made back in 2021, the value of one plant might have been around $9, but slowly over time, the value of the plant is decreasing. So to make more money at this, you want to get more plants total up here. You want more up here because the value of the plant is decreasing. So as the value of the plant decreases, this is constantly going down, 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 down. You might see this video 6 months from now and see that the value is actually 0.0006 instead of 0.006 or something like that. And if you want to make money at this, you need to get more plants up here so that you start earning more plants every single day, and then your value goes up and up and up. So the great thing about the drip garden is it doesn't matter if you come today, tomorrow, a year from now, and let's say you come a year from now and the value is like 0.000006. Okay, the plants, they're not really worth that much. But if you can get the value and the total number of plants grown up higher and higher and higher and higher, it really shouldn't matter what the value of the plant actually is, because you're earning a ton of plants every 24 hours. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or check out the Telegram channel, Making Money with Michael. Ask your questions there. We are here to help you and support you. I know this is still probably very confusing, but the takeaway is that plants mean nothing. Seeds mean nothing. They are just placeholder values for value. The higher this number gets, the more plants you will be able to either put back into your garden or cash out. And yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next